It's Kurt from Time Machine Transport. So this is video 2. That's how we're looking right there with the exhaust going out. That was a bitch because I had to pull all that apart to get in there because the doctor didn't want to go through the brick, which is understandable. And then that comes out there. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually prepping the rods. So what I got was 2 of these tubings, and then what I did was I just put silicone on the ends of the thread instead of using Loctite. And these rods are 3/8 by 2 foot, I believe. So what you got to do is you got to find out where your trusses are. So I opened up the attic hatch and looked up in there. And what you want to do is definitely want to make sure that's on a slight pitch down. And then if you look here real close, you can see where the indentations are for your drywall screws. See right there, you can actually see where they didn't mud it 100%. So that I'm definitely center on that. That's one of my trusses or truss. And then this one, same thing. You can see the round hole for the drywall screw. So that made things a lot easier. So I know on this Mr. Heater, you have to go, I think it was minimum of 18 inches from the wall for air intake. So you can't mount it directly on the wall. So I have 19 marked there and there. So 19 off that wall, 19 out that wall. I'd rather be a little bit more than less. So now, being that I prepped my tubes, I got 5.5 inch long lag bolts that I'm actually going to go through the tubing. I'll show you. So basically, you are, and this was damaged somehow when during shipping. I saw a hole in the side of the box, and so I had to kind of bend this one, and that one's the exact same thing, so they were packed together. So you got to figure out where you want to go on these slots. So I chose here, there, and there. I didn't want to go all the way to the end, so these get mounted on the front like so. Obviously where it says Big Max on the bottom, that's your bottom. So now we are 20 inches from that hole to that hole. Excuse me. So I am going to go up top. I just wanted to show you guys before I do it because I won't be able to do it and record it. So what I am going to do, I have a long drill bit, and once I size this up, I'll probably get a measurement, or I might just go ahead and leave it and let it pop right through the drywall. What I did was I found the center and then just went in on both sides, so I was 20 inches apart or close to it. That's why these are so long, so you can slide that just to get up over to your threaded rod. You don't have to do it this way. I just think it looks neater this way. And I saw some guys put 2x6s up on the joist or up on the truss, and I am not getting up in that attic. It's got all that insulation in there. I am not doing that. So it's a good idea to do the 2x6s. So basically my truss are going this way, so they would put the 2x6s going over the truss. So I chose this because it looks clean. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on pause, and I'm going to go ahead and so my leg screws will go through the hole and into the truss or the joist, whatever you have. I'm going to put you on pause and I'll show you. All right, guys, I'm going to show you. I think it's pretty good. So from the corner to the edge of the track is about where the edge of the unit's going to be. And then I'm 19 from the backside. So I wanted to stay within that parameter for code reasons. I'm going to show you what I did. You see where I drilled the hole through the drywall so that the top of my threaded rod can go up into the attic. And then, like I said, these are already marked for me, so I was able to get into both truss or joist, whatever you wanna, whatever you're on. So now, so this is the only securement here and there. I didn't bother to put a washer on it because the holes are so tight. That's what he said and she said. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, put you on pause. All right, guys, so now I just gotta measure from center of the tube over to the left. Make sure I'm on 20. So I'm gonna put you back on pause. Everything worked out really nice, so I'm gonna put you on pause. All right, guys, so don't make the same mistake I made. I had to pull it back down because I went, instead of 20 inches from rod to rod, I actually went 13. I don't know why I did that. So make sure you guys don't screw up like I did. Make sure you stay true with that 20 and 20, unless you're gonna mount it this way, which can also happen.